Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have an Electrolux IQ-Touch dryer and on the display you're getting an E53 error and you're trying to figure out what this is and what are the steps to try to fix this. So there's a couple steps of hierarchy in terms of difficulty and cost and everything in order to fix this. So basically what's going on is that your motor centrifugal switch is not working right. There's a failure there, or at least there's a failure being detected by the control board. So what you want to do is kind of a three-step process here. One is to access the wiring for the motor and just make sure all the wiring going to and from the motor, there's nothing damaged, nothing loose, nothing disconnected, nothing crossed, nothing like that. And once you've done that, if all the wiring looks good, the next step would be to check and potentially replace the drive motor if necessary, because your motor might be burned out. And if that's not the issue, if that doesn't fix the problem, the next thing would be to actually replace the control board, because it might be a control board issue and not an actual motor issue. And if you decide to do that, I'll go ahead and put a link in the description to how to replace the control board.